ಶುಭೋದಯ. ಇದು ಆಕಾಶವಾಣಿ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು. ಡಿಆರ್ಎಂ ತರಂಗಾಂತರ 603 ಕಿಲೋ ಹರ್ಟ್ಸ್ಗಳು. ನಿಲಯದ ಇಂದಿನ ಪ್ರಸಾರ ಕಾರ್ಯವನ್ನು ಆರಂಭಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ.
ಆಕಾಶವಾಣಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆರೋಗ್ಯವಾಣಿ.
Touch it.
Okay.
That is a digital radio mondial, full form. See, do you know earlier about the DRM?
No.
Okay.
This is a new one, I think.
New one.
Yeah.
You scan it. Scan it. Scan it.
It is not taking.
Okay. Yeah.
No.
Moving. Search list. Okay, just a minute, sir. Acha. Search list. 603. This frequency is 603. You will get 3 services between 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. 3:05 to 5 o'clock. You will get 3 services. Now you can get only 2 services. Indoor you will not get. Outdoor you will get. Indoor signal is very low. You will get very low signal. You will get a good signal outside.
ಆಕಾಶವಾಣಿ.
ಆರಿಸು ಕನ್ನಡ ಡಿಮ್ ಡಿಮ್ಮವ, ಓ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಹೃದಯ ಶಿವ.
ಕನ್ನಡ ರತ್ನ ಭಂಡಾರ